Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? After a long time, okay, we'll start our revision. A little recapitulation of what all we did in 8th grade, ninth grade. From so many days, no one have touched the books, isn't it? So now we have to come back in studying mode. Take out your books, dust it off, and okay, a little introduction, basics of English. Reading. Reading is a process of taking in the sense of or meaning of letters, symbols, etc., especially by the sight or touch. Sight means just by seeing it, go through it. For educators and researchers, reading is a reading comprehension, speed reading, or close reading. Reading with a purpose helps the reader to direct information towards a goal and focuses their attention. Reading is a thinking process. It helps the kids to calm down and relax, opening doors of new knowledge to enlighten their minds. Reading is very important. You should keep reading storybooks or your readers. It will give you knowledge. Newspaper, did you read in so many holidays? Go through the newspaper, what is happening, Urdu newspaper or English newspaper, magazines, novels. Kids who read grow up to have a better cognitive skills. Reading is good for everyone, not only for children or young adults. On the internet, you will find many lists up to 30 reasons why reading is important. Now, reading, got it? Reading comprehension. It is a question in 10 marks or for unread passage, read passage. It is comprehension. We go through that comprehension and answer the question answers, objective, whatever is written, fill in the blank or opposite antonym of it. Reading comprehension is the ability to process text, understanding its meaning, and to integrate with what the reader knows. Fundamental skills required. Comprehension is the understanding and interpretation of what is read. To be able to accurately understand written material, children need to be able to decode what they read. They should be able to make others understand. Others express your knowledge. Make connections between what they read and what they already know. And third point, think deeply about what they have read. Unseen passage. A simple small example is given here so that you can read it and answer the question answers of it. In the next slide, unseen passage. Success in life. Everyone wants to succeed in life, isn't it? For some, success means achieving whatever they desire or dream. For many, it is the name, fame, and social position. Whatever be the meaning of success, it is success what makes a man popular. All great men have been successful. They are remembered for their achievements, what all hard work they did, what all they got. Now they deserve a big complex, 50 floors buildings, complex, bungalow, cars and all. But it is certain that success comes to those who are sincere, hardworking, loyal and committed to their goals. Doesn't come free. It needs a lot of hard work. They don't sleep properly, they don't eat properly, they are committed. They love their work. Success has been man's greatest motivation. It is very important for all. Success has a great affection on life. It brings pleasure and pride. It gives a sense of fulfillment. It means all round development. Everyone hopes to be successful in life, but success smiles on those who have a proper approach, planning, vision, and stamina. A proper and timely application of all these things is bound to bear fruit. One cannot be successful without cultivating these certain basic things in life. It is very difficult to set out on a journey without knowing one's goals and purposes. Clarity of the objective is a must to succeed in life. A focused approach with proper planning is certain to big success to bring the success. Indecision and insincerity are big obstacles on the path of success. One should have the capacity, and resources to turn one's dream into reality. Capability, you should be able to do. Capacity, you should work very hard day and night. If you don't eat, don't sleep also, it's okay, but you should go on doing hard work. Resources, how you plan your things, how you get financial help, social help, moral help to boost up. Someone is there to help you out in everything. At least mentally, a trainer, a well wisher, a friend, family persons to turn one dream into reality. Mere desire cannot bring you success. The desire should be weighed against factors like capability, resources. This is the basic requirement of success. The next important thing is the eagerness, seriousness, and the urge to be successful. Something very important inside you, burn something very badly, that is, you want to become a successful person. It is the driving force which decides the success. It is the first step on the ladder of success. One needs to pursue one's goals with all one's sincerity and passion. One should always be in high spirit. Lack of such spirit leads to inferiority complex. If you fail, you'll get very low, bad in life. You'll go down, which is an obstruction to on the path of success. Path to success. Time is also a deciding factor. One, the punctual and committed have succeeded in life. Lives of great men are examples of these. Now, according to this, we have question answers. Answer also I have given you all. Don't worry. This is not there in your reader, not going to come in your exam. This is just a revision so that you can come back to your studies, understand it. This is your 10th grade children. Be serious about your studies. All subjects. First question, to whom does success come? Certainly. Certainly means, are you sure everyone will get success? See the answer, to the people who are sincere, hardworking, loyal, committed, success comes certainly. उनको मिलेंगे पक्का. If you work hard, sincerely, not tomorrow we'll do, आज सो जाएंगे, we'll sleep off today. This is not going to happen. This is not going to work. Every day is important if you want to be successful, hardworking. Just the first class of 10th grade, no. First class is also same as important as in the pre-finals exam. Anything can come. I have to listen to teacher. Small things are important if you want to succeed well, very well, with good marks. What are the basic things in life we need to achieve? See the answer. To achieve success, we need proper approach, planning, vision, and stamina. On the basis of your reading of your passage, fill in any two of the following blanks with the appropriate words or phrases. Dash places decisive means important. Role in achieving success. Goals have to be pursued with dash and dash. Ratio of success is dash inspiration. First answer is patience, sincerity, and passion are the second answer. Third answer is 5%. Is it clear? Understood? Got it? All the best. It's the first class, so there is no homework. From next classes, we'll go through one by one topics. This is not your first lesson, not your first exercise. Just a little revision. You all have already done this in 9th grade, isn't it? But comprehension comes for your exam, so just go through it. Got it? All the best. Study well. See you in next class. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.